courtyard middle. West side, come west na. West, diamond. Come fast, diamond. Move fast. Di tank, wag yung bibigay suicide ha. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, wag yung bibigay yung suicide, men.
Ito lang tayo sa gitna, Pensi.
Malik na.
Para,
Majority ng brawler skills nila wala na.
Party 2 DPS, hold lang kayo sa west. Okay,
Bumalik
drop lang kayo
sa
random E sa
west.
west. Party 2 DPS, do you hear me? Drop random E at the west, okay? Holding. Nigga boy. Vera, where are you now? Where are you? Okay, come west. CC west. CC them fast. CC. Vera, come inside. Vera, come inside. Don't dismount yet. Vera, come inside. Vera, come inside. Vera, come in. North. Any.
They dismounted, ah?
Kamis. Asa na?
Nagbabantay pa ba sa suicide?
Meron.
Wala. Copy. Holding. Okay, all of them are west now. Yo, tank! Ready tank? Pag nag-overextend, isisin nyo agad ah. Okay, sisinyo na. Sisinyo, ready? Deep west, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Nice, come back fast. Pacheck nga ako east.
May nag-grab ng east, may nag-grab sa east mo.
Kamis. Everyone east. Wala. Bantayan nyo ha.
Ito na si Punish, babalik na sa east.
Sige, bantayan nyo lang.
Second gate.
Vera, come back. Come east. Sisinyo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, bagal. Come west. Cancel. West. Holding.
Punish dismounted.
I know, you hold west for me. I hold east, okay? Holding. Isisin nyo nga to si Punish, pre.
May nagbabang sa death choke, ah.
Sige, isisin nyo lang si Punish, men. Step up, click out. CC them. Deep south, after cleric. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Sige, north walk. Sige, hold here.
Patay sila.
Okay, come west. West.
Masyado ko malalim dula.
Vera, natudi pa. Vera. May suicide pa ba, men? Wala. Sige.
Nasa suicide ako.
Ilang percent yun? 89, copy.
89.
34 na lang yung west
Holding. Sige. Let Vera handle west.
Careful over the wall, ah.
Oh, they falling back now, ah. Hello. Indeed, just
Ikaw ba
run.
dito?
Just
Sa dead
run.
choke ka, engineer ah.
May
Dito sir,
may ratter pala tayong kakampi.
Sino? Sinong rat?
Southwest, pre.
Kagil.
SZP.
May nagbabong kata? Meron ba? Wala.
Wala andyan si engineer.
Nasaan sila? Info. Nasaan sila?
Nasa labas
Southwest.
sila. Southwest.
Lahat?
Labas
Ah,
mo.
nandito, nakadismount na lahat.
Nabi, ikaw na dito, Nabi.
Yeah. Just let them come in, guys. Don't pick na. Huwag kayo mag-pick dyan, men.
Push.
Don't pick!
Remember ha, they have wailing bow. They have wailing bomb.
Don't pick, putang ina nyo.
Come back.
Anara, balik. They have wheeling bomb. They can hit you, tara.
They have
Engineer,
thermal
pabanda yung
also.
dead
Just
choke.
let them in.
Sige.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just let them in.
They're
guys.
mounted on the west side. South side rather. South side, andito lang ah.
Si Marchand ba? Marchand, andito ka ba? JMC boy.
Punish.
Wait, boy.
Ay, Pinch,
may umiikot dito sa southeast side.
Fighting na kami, pre.
Punish SE.
Yeah, I see him. Just holding. Engineer, ingat ha. Grab marker.
Wala ka ng isang
Huwag ka masyadong
sniper,
mag-dip, engineer
Oo, huwag ka na mag-dip, ah. Basta buhos
Yeah,
skill,
yeah.
balik na agad.
Yo, if you die fucking not behind these walls, gates, you nori unless you fucking scouting for me.
Dead choke, isa pupunta. Okay, malis. Punish.
Okay, hulihin nyo na choke boy. Hulihin nyo.
Nasa may ano sila, southeast side. Mounted,
Copy,
everyone's
copy.
mounted.
I see.
Moving. Nasa south side, moving southwest. Still mounted. Naka-live ako, Finchy, pwede mo tignan sa ano,
Ay, sige,
Discord.
check ko na lang. Oh,
Ayun na.
we picking them off one by one eh, no? Ang bobo talaga ng invade.
Ayan, nandito sila ngayon sa southwest side mo.
Okay.
Mounted, still mounted. Dismounted now, moving,
Ah,
pushing.
naghihintay sila ng
Ditang
rear.
ready CC. Yung pawas ulit ako ng east ko ah.
East clear, east.
Na 2D pa guys.
Adding na ulit sila
Tingin
dito
na
sa
lang
west.
doon sa isa.
Sige lang. They're
Pero
still
nakamount
mounted. Chill lang.
Nakamount pa yung iba sa kanila.
Be ready
Chill
ah.
lang.
Be ready in B-bomb.
They're moving
careful lang daw,
southeast.
Roger.
They're moving
Yes,
southeast.
Guys, remember they have
Some
ano,
people.
AV pa ba?
Nandito
Ready?
naman sila.
You step up.
May punish
Come,
nandito sa
click.
isa.
Pupunta ng ano, pupunta ng ano.
Come, everybody, come. Vera,
Ayan.
hold for me, Vera. Hold south, wait. Clap at south.
They're full bonking. They're full bonking.
North, come suicide, everyone,
Nice.
come out. Come up, suicide, everyone. Come, Vera, hold my south, okay, Vera? Everyone, look, suicide. Giga, everyone, Giga
They
now,
broke it.
Giga. CC them. Look, find me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now, hit it. Now come middle. Come Lord room. Finish a kill. Come Lord room. Push through Lord room. Lord room. Holding. Heal inside. Come middle. Don't go stair. Come middle. Heal middle. Ready. Find me. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. West side. Nice. Holding. Heal. Middle. Hold the middle.
Hard chest, you're too low.
Heal. Step up any. Look east. Look SC. Step up.
Fuck, sorry bro.
Look SC. CC them. After cleric. Find me. Wait. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. Ubos, tangina. Look west. IB, Western Crown. IB, kill him. Come south. Bobo talaga ng invade, tangina.
Let the battle looter pick, please.
Come south. Everybody.
Battle looter. Don't loot
Follow me.
everyone.
Vera, where are you? Okay. I flanking. Vera, I flank. Ay, never mind. Oh, they wipe ah.
They wipe.
Easy win ya.
Yung mga namatay sa deck choke nang hindi nag-boost at Giga, bala kayo dyan.
Bakit kasi nagganon kayo, boss?
Boy, you have defensive ah.
Blue check.
Defensive.
Ubus na naman yung invade. Tangina.
Naging Warzone to, Mr. February.
Boy, healer ako pero nabuhay ako. What the fuck?
Si Archie namatay ka.
Oh boys, kinain niya yung kinain niya yung engage.
Kinain niya yung engagement.
RG, next time na dadaan ka sa choke, wag kang
Yo.
titigil
We still
na.
have 30 minutes ha.
Hagwall.
This is their hideout. They will regear, okay?
Si RG ba yun?
Oh, dumaan sa gitna.
RG,
Kinain niya
RG.
lahat.
Ang pinakamaganda mong position ng healer ka. Dito sa baba lang, ang layo ng range mo. Bilang
Looter.
Yeah.
Looters. Listen. If you have loot, trade Kapitan Sino or Boji. Trade Kapitan
Sayang boy.
Sino.
Tagal
Lagi.
ko lalo.
Ang ganda ng silence ni BJ. Alam mo yung nagbo-brawl sila doon sa choke? Na-silence sila, di sila
Comes na,
makapag-edit.
saglit. Looter. Magdipo ka sa Rookie's hideout, Gravemount Hills, Rookie's
Halatang
hideout.
ang ginagawa nila eh. Alam mo ba?
Yan, 7 lang. Tanggalin mo yung tatlo.
Kaso di niya pa rin magawa.
Diba, yan.
Pangit ang trap nila, paikot-ikot.
Mas malakas pa
magdidipo lang
mag-roll ng solo kaysa sa kanila, putang ina.
Ano ka palagayan, Nabi?
Ha?
Gusto ko.
May lagayan ka pa? Meron ako
Wala,
nalot na...
magdidipo muna ako.
Guys, si King Philly. Hindi na siya
Meron
nag-click
pa
out.
na tip flow.
Parang last time, oh.
Picturean nyo to.
Oo,
kawawa.
ano. Ganun ginagawa niya lagi, no?
Guys, make circle. Guys, make circle around him. Then you type,
Oo.
click home, bro. Click home, bot review. Invade noob.
Ikaw.
Oh, scam.
Ramor.
Guys, yes.
Marami.
Rab, kinain mo yung gala, Rab. Pero
Kirain
walang
mo, ha?
damage. Pero walang damage, Rab. What the fuck? Ano yun? Bag?
Ano yung damage? Nag-rootbone ako, ang gagawin ko doon.